So this is Morgan. She's a Morgan member. Where are we going?
Montreal.
Montreal.
It's like a girls' road trip.
Yeah, and we're going there only for 2 days.
I'm happy that's an all-girls trip.
Me too.
Yeah.
No boys.
Yeah.
Again.
We already got our Starbucks
because we're basic and we love our Starbucks. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So keep watching. Bye. The first thing she sees. Hey, we're Brandy. I'm trying on sweatpants. Hello? I can do 100. It's okay. Okay, so we are in Montreal. We were so excited that we didn't even announce it. We just went to Brandy.
Spent a lot of money.
They spent like 200 already. And now we're going to Lulu's. This is like a shopping trip, I feel like.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go thrifting because I want to. I don't know if they want to, but I really want to.
I do.
Well, yeah. Here's Lulu, so let's go. Didn't find anything, so let's go shop more. Victoria. Shoes. Here. 3, 2, 1. We just got to our apartment and we ordered pizza and we're starving because we didn't eat anything since like we're hungry at Starbucks. We ate at 10 a.m. now it's 6.
Guys, what?
So yeah. Bon appetit, girls. Okay, so we just finished the pizza. Paula? We took like a bunch of pictures there. There's like a beautiful window.
Oh, why do you keep standing up?
Because I can't see.
Oh.
We went shopping, went to Brandy Mellow. Oh yeah, we all got these like
Production pants.
Wait, let's show them. See? How cute. So we all got that, then she got that, I got a bra. And now we're just hanging out in the apartment waiting. See you tomorrow. Oh my god.
In the vlog, my bear is always on one side. I don't know why I didn't tell me.
Oh my god. First taste. Is it?
So good.
Really? We're waiting for our coffee and we're waiting to take pictures. Yeah, we're drinking iced coffee. We got like the nicest breakfast too. And now we're going to try some prom dresses on and then we're gonna go thrifting. Oh my god, there's a big hole. Oh my god. Okay, good. And then we're gonna go home. But yeah. Stay tuned.
Please remove your shoes and no photos.
Are you kidding? Okay, well, see you later then.
So pretty.
Give me one more chance. Won't you please let me back to your heart? Oh, darling, I was blind to ever let you go. But since I saw you in her arms, oh, I want you back, baby.
I'm saying yes to the dress. Morgan. Okay, so we went to like a prom dress store. It was super nice. The only problem was we couldn't like film there, but I still took like a lot of videos. The other problem was that you have to have your mom to like be able to try some dresses on. So we could only try one dress on, and I didn't try one because I won't be here.
The girl's like, you need a mom, and I'm like, I'm 18, does that count?
Yeah, she's like, no. And now we walked down the street and we found like a cute jewelry shop. And I bought something. Of course. Of course Paula bought something. Then we took a lot of photos on these like cute stairs. I'm gonna insert them here, it's so cute. And now we're going to Salvation Army to thrift. Yeah, that's it. Morgan. Okay, let's go thrifting.
I want you back.
Are you getting something? That's so cute! I tried all of this on. It's so big. The only thing I'm getting is this little dainty ring. I want to live in that house. What are we getting? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Morgan. Hello. Oh yeah. Girls. I like it. I really like it. Wow.
Oh yeah, I like it.
So we stopped at like a coffee shop and like a cupcake store. Also, we went thrifting, and I got this cute ring. It's cute.
I just want to go thrifting.
Oh yeah, show them. That's so cute.
But then I really
Adorable. Oh yeah. Yeah, I found these fake pants. So like, there's some credit there, okay? Okay, but it's like cute pants. It's like a really cute fabric. Only problem is now they're like capris, but I'm gonna get them like. Because they long, yeah, you can make them longer because this is like, you can just cut it and it's long. Yeah. And then the other pants, I'm gonna get those tailored too. Tailored? Are cute too. There's like, it's like a cute, like basic, but it's really practical. And yeah, that's it. We're going home. I'm gonna talk to you there. Bye.
Writing a list to keep track of what I'm supposed to do.